Hello everyone, my name is Praful Kumar and I'm recording this video for subject design analysis of reconfigurable system. So in this project we are basically using FPGA and HPS, and we are basically connecting a bridge between these two, and then we are basically creating a timer kind of thing. So let me show you how we can do that. So this is the Quartus prime. So in this I have executed the code. So let me show you give me a second, let me show you the platform designer. Okay, so if you see, this is the platform designer. So I've connected all the different PIO connections. So if you see, I'm using parallel input output peripheral. So this is basically, here I've used it PIO 0, that is nothing but the LED. So I've connected the clock reset and also the S1 pin. So the way how you do this is, I'm not using this one right now, I'm using right here this one, PIO LED. If you see, I've connected the S1 reset and clock. So if you see the export, you will see PIO LED external connection is created. So I'm gonna use this in my Verilog and basically make a bridge between those two. So once this is done, the next step is you click on generate HDL. So this will generate a HDL file. So once that is done, I've already compiled the code. Let me show you the FPGA. So I'm using putty basically. So instead of connecting the FPGA board to a monitor, so I've connected it with the micro USB cable to my computer, and then I'm using putty interface to access the Linux from FPGA. So let me show you. So this is the programmer. Okay, so I'll execute the code. I've already mounted the pen drive, so I'm gonna go into the pen drive directory. Okay, I'm inside the pen drive directory, so I'll go to the HPS directory where my executable is present. Okay, so now I'm gonna execute the file. Okay, once that is done, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna upload the SOF file. So I have uploaded the SOF file. If you see, the LEDs are blinking. So this is the working of part 1 of the homework 9. So if you see, I've used micro USB cable and connected that to my laptop here. So I'm using putty interface so that I don't need to use the monitor, so I'm directly using it via my computer itself. Thank you. That was part 1 of the project. Thank you.